Hello, Dr. Hart. Tracy Vasquez here. Today I will be sharing about the article titled Growth, Mindset, and Grit. How do university students' mindsets and grit affect their academic achievement? The proposed components of grit, finding your passion, having a sense of purpose, and persevering against obstacles. Psychologist Angela Duckworth brought the concept of grit by providing evidence that talent and luck aren't all that matter for succeeding. As we learned in this course, her colleagues published a research in 2007 introducing the grit scale, which they used to analyze educational achievement, persistence at a military academy, and success in a spelling bee. Bringing us to why I chose this article. Grit is often debated, and many ask if grit is really key to success. Researchers were interested in drawing conclusions about undergraduate and postgraduate students. The purpose of this study was to examine how students' perceived mindset and grit can affect their academic achievement. Sample of population size consisted of 238 participants. Sampling strategy used for this study was convenience sampling, in which the sample consists of individuals who happen to be nearby and willing to participate. For the purpose of the study, electronic questionnaires were developed. 2 different questionnaire links were created for participants. Two different questionnaire links in Greek and English were created. Participation in the study was completely voluntary, and participants were informed through written consent in the information letter that they had the right to withdraw at any point. Questionnaire was distributed from May to July of 2018. The questionnaire refers to a technique of data collection which consists of a series of written questions along with alternative answers. The schedule is a formalized set of questions, statements, and space for answers provided to the enumerators to ask questions to the respondents and note down the answers. Short grit scale contains 12 items composed of 2 factors. The first factor entails 6 items that indicate consistency of interest. And the second factors another 6 items indicating perseverance of effort. The Dweck Mindset Instrument, DMI, was used to assess how students view their own intelligence and talent. The scale of 16 items that are rated on a 6-point scale. Students were instructed to read the statement and indicate their level of agreement or disagreement. Here are the characteristics of the participants who completed the online survey. We are starting with Table A. 158 males, 66.4%, 80 females, 33.6%, 203 were Caucasian, 85.3%, 35 were Asian, 14.7%. 203 were Caucasian, 85.3%, 35 were Asian, 14.7%. The average mean here, 29.3 years of age, and a standard deviation of 7.0. Continuing with Table A, undergraduates, mean of 25.7 years of age, and a standard deviation of 6.1. Postgraduate mean of 32.1 years of age, with a standard deviation of 6.5. 85 students a total of 79% reported being satisfied with academic results. 80 undergrad, 77.7%, and 108 postgrad, 80%. The data reflects a positive relationship between growth and mindset and a better academic performance. It was confirmed that growth mindset predicts academic achievement, growth mindset predicts academic enjoyment, and that grit grows with age. Psychology is usually defined as a scientific study of human behavior and mental processes, and this data illustrates the features that make it scientific. According to the American Psychological Association, research is complete only when the results are shared with the scientific community. Thank you.